Hello friends, welcome in JLR classes. Students, today we are going to recite the first poem that Rain in the Night. Poem recitation is very important in student life and it makes very interest in learning process. So see, Rain in the Night, poet Amelia Joseph Burr. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud and sometimes soft. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud and sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters, there will be rivers in the gutters, and lake along the street. It will make our lazy kitty, it will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Roses will wear diamonds, roses will wear diamonds, like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow, I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces and wash the pansies' faces. Thank you.